Do not pack or attempt to move hazardous household items when preparing to move house. Movers will refuse them, and transporting them yourself is unsafe. Label and segregate all items that could be hazardous and make a clear checklist for each room so nothing is missed. Paint should be used up or hardened with an approved hardener, then taken to a local household hazardous waste drop-off. Do not leave liquid paint in a moving truck. Propane tanks must be emptied and taken to a certified disposal site or returned to the retailer. Never transport them inside a vehicle or enclosed moving van. Pesticides and herbicides that are partially used should be surrendered to municipal hazardous waste programs or to community collection events and never mixed with other liquids. Aerosol cans that are not empty need to be handled through hazardous waste collection because they remain pressurized and flammable. Relieve pressure only at an authorized facility. Do not puncture. Car and household batteries, including lithium-ion, should be taken to battery recycling points or hazardous waste centers and stored in non-conductive containers prior to drop-off to avoid short circuits. Tape the terminals on large batteries for added safety. For fuel in lawnmowers and other equipment, drain the fuel into an approved container, run the engine until it dies to clear lines, and then dispose of the fuel at a hazardous waste station. Never mix fuel with other fluids or pour it on the ground. If you have unopened, labeled chemicals in good condition, consider donating them to an approved community facility or nonprofit that accepts them for reuse, but confirm acceptance rules first. 3 common mistakes people make are assuming small quantities are safe to move, packing unknown containers together, and forgetting to check local rules. Moving small amounts of paint or chemicals is still risky because leaks escalate in transit, so treat any amount as hazardous and use waste programs. Packing different chemicals in the same box increases the risk of dangerous reactions or fumes, so keep each product in its original container and separate incompatible types. Ignoring municipal disposal rules leads to fines or improper handling, so call your local waste authority or visit their website before moving and follow their instructions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for removal, disposal, and cleanup related to hazardous items and home moves, and we link contractors seeking work with local projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share advice, local program details, and personal experiences to make moving safer.